Miracles of Sciences, Class 5. Difference between or comparison of physical change and chemical change. Physical change, chemical change, temporary change, permanent change. No new substance is formed. A new substance is formed. Substance is formed. Reversible. Irreversible. Brings about a change in the physical properties. Brings about a change in both chemical and physical properties. The constituents of the new substance can be easily restored to their original states. The constituents of the new substance cannot be restored to their original states.